Solitaire cache can stay stuck in Wi-Fi only mode when the app cannot use your mobile data connection, even when other apps work normally. You can usually narrow this down by checking the app's connection settings, your phone's mobile data permissions, and whether your connection changes when Wi-Fi is turned off. Start by turning Wi-Fi off completely and open Solitaire cache using mobile data. If the app immediately shows an offline or Wi-Fi only message, check whether Solitaire cache is allowed to use cellular data. On iPhone, open Settings, find Solitaire cache, and look for the mobile data or cellular data permission. Make sure it is enabled. If that permission is disabled, the app may only work when Wi-Fi is connected. On Android, open Settings, go to Apps, select Solitaire cache, and check its mobile data or data usage settings. Make sure mobile data is allowed and that a data saving restriction is not blocking the app. Next, turn airplane mode on briefly, and then turn it off. This forces the phone to reconnect to the mobile network. After the connection returns, open Solitaire cache again with Wi-Fi still disabled. If you use Android, check Data Saver as well. Data Saver can restrict background or network activity for individual apps. If Solitaire cache is restricted, allow unrestricted data access for the app and test it again. On iPhone, check low data mode for your current cellular connection. If it is enabled, temporarily turn it off and test Solitaire cache again. If mobile data works in your browser and other apps but Solitaire cache remains stuck, force close Solitaire cache and reopen it. This refreshes the app's network session without removing your account. You should also check for an available Solitaire cache update in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. If the problem started immediately after an update, installing a newer version can resolve an app-side connection problem when one is available. Avoid uninstalling the app as your first troubleshooting step. Reinstalling can require you to sign in again, so make sure you know which account credentials you use before removing it. If Solitaire cache works on Wi-Fi, but never works on mobile data after these checks, test another cellular connection if possible. That helps determine whether the problem is specific to your carrier or specific to the app. The quickest fixes are enabling cellular or mobile data access for Solitaire cache, disabling restrictive data saving settings, reconnecting to the mobile network, and checking for an app update. If Wi-Fi only mode remains stuck after that, contact Solitaire cache support and include your phone model, operating system version, and the exact connection message shown by the app. If this fixed the Wi-Fi only problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache troubleshooting guides.